So the topic today was the question of settlements, litigation in the pharmaceutical sector with the views of European practitioners and also US practitioners. The first topic that we covered is the disparagement of generics, which is a practice related to generic entry, and it focuses in particular on providing misleading communication in order to prevent or limit the degree of competitive constraint that is exercised by generics. What the discussions have shown is that it is indeed very difficult to assess whether in practice there is indeed disparagement or not. The second part of the discussion focused more specifically on settlements in the pharmaceutical sector. We talked, among others, about pay-for-delay agreements. There have been many cases in Europe, and we have had the chance to have the views of the European Commission on these questions. Again, the complexity of assessing whether an agreement delays entry of generic or not is very pregnant, and I think what we observe is that it is difficult to determine whether an agreement is anti-competitive or not if we do not consider what would have happened absent the agreement, that is the counterfactual scenario. And we also talked briefly about what we call early entry agreements, which are agreements that arise at an early stage between an originator and the generic firm, and that allow for generic entry in the market. And we have highlighted some of the antitrust risks that may arise in this context, in particular if such early entry agreements contribute to delaying or limiting the competitive constraint that is exercised by generics.